Physics?
I know. I think we're recording.
Oh shit, I am recording. Okay, well, okay. This is us before we go to Warped Tour. Yay! Renee can't go.
What? Renee, if you're watching this, I'm sorry you can't go.
It's okay, but
I hope you're
we're going.
in, but we're gonna have fun with that.
Oh, I know. We didn't sleep at all.
For the week.
No
sleep.
sleep.
2 hours.
I slept for an hour and a half.
30 minutes. 30 minutes. It's
an hour and a half.
Whatever, okay. We're gonna be tired and worth it.
How many Tylenols do we have?
I don't know. I need like 2. I need 3. We have like 5 Tylenols, seriously, on the real. Like on the real.
I'm the film director of this.
Oh god, okay.
I'm gonna become a film director in the future.
We're planning to go all black. Look at us. All black? And we have
what boobies?
And then our friends that are meeting us
our
all
friends.
black.
Alright, I will. Alright, later.